Hello guys, I'm Shutag from the designsketchbook.com and let's see how to draw like concept artists with bike elements. So click on the bell and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest tutorial videos. So what I like to do before starting a session of sketching is to have a little bit of warm-up. And here I'm testing some different colors of pencil. Like the first one is navy, the second one is black, and the third one is something like dark cherry. So actually I see that I quite like these colors and I feel it's pretty nice, so let's go on with it. So the formulator that we are going to draw will be pretty organic, but I like to warm up with something very neat like right here. It's helped me to calibrate my brain with my pen. And it has a lot of precision. So what you need to keep in mind is that even though in concept art some sketches looks very free, very organic, you need to learn the basics, the fundamental of sketching. So if you want to make your first steps in perspective, I invite you to download the designer starter kit right here, and I will put the link in the description. So what I have just done here with the contour line is that I got double the contour lines to create a groove. So just a small trick that is going to help you to make your sketches more real. So here I took this Shimano piece of a bike, and we are getting inspired from this to draw something new. So basically what I like to do when I start is to draw my intention. Is that I draw a very fast sketch in perspective, having a quick feeling of the architecture of it, of this piece. Like it's like a broken, it's like the articulation of an arm, of a leg. And this is what I try to remember in my mind. And then from there, I'm going to build up all around. I will always start from general and then I go into the details. And this is a main rule that you need to keep in mind whenever you draw. Now you see here, I draw some very light line first with my intention. I try to spot what interests me from the original pictures and see what I can do with it and what I can twist from there. So as you can see, there's a certain twist going all around, and then there's an arm with a cylinder going up, and I'm going to play with that. And then slowly I will draw some details. I will add the logos, make it more interesting. But the base is actually just a few lines that goes super fast, and then you can take your time to draw all around. Basically the base may take like just a few minutes, like 2 or 3, depends, and then all the rest is where actually you get less stress because you're taking your time and trying to discovering some new forms. So the trick is that when I'm drawing with all these sketches, is that before I start drawing, I don't have yet the ideas exactly of what I want. I just have an intention. And this is why it's very important to draw with your feeling when you draw in concept art. Don't try to have everything in mind. You are just discovering, exploring. Draw a few lines there, draw some organic forms, try to feel the sensation that it gives, and then go ahead. It's just drawing with the flow. And this is how you will build up your memory of form. You will build up so much more experimental form that you have never been able to draw before. This is why it's interesting in concept art. And all these forms are actually very interesting if you want to import them in your product design. So you have a very simple base, and then you draw all the details on top. And it's pretty relaxing though. And then I bumped on this picture of the pedal, the bike pedal, and I'm going to build up a box first to draw this in proportion. That will help me to actually structure the drawing itself. It's like a box with a cylinder in the middle, and then I start from there. And it has been pretty challenging, but I wanted to make a try. And don't try to reproduce 100% of what you see for this concept art exercise. but try to feel the essence of it. And what is cool is that whenever I'm drawing this, I don't even see the time going, the time is flowing. When I stop sketching to take a break, I see, whoa, it's already like 30 or 40 minutes already. So really don't look at the time actually, just let you go with the flow of the river, I would say, and explore. Don't get disturbed from other noise or what, just close the door and do your stuff. So when I'm finished, I like to do a bit of refinement here and there on the overall board. So I try to have also a dynamic board playing all around. Draw your products from different angles. Some touch up. Here we go. That's it. So I hope you enjoy it. And once again, feel free to play with concept art and see how it's going to help you to have innovative form in product design. So I'm going to give you some more videos right here, and I see you for the next video of the 30-day once a day tip challenge.